Well, welcome to Liechtenstein. This is the youth hostel I'm staying at. It stopped raining for now, but I suppose I'll go for a ride into the capital city, Vaduz. It's only a small country and it's only a small little city, I think. But I don't think I'm far away, about 5 kilometres or something. This is Vaduz in Liechtenstein. Not a lot here. And, we'll go for a walk up this pedestrian area and see what's here. Maybe get something to eat. Now, it is known for their sculptures. And here's some sculptures. Yeah, so this is my youth hostel in Vaduz, Liechtenstein. 45.68 Swiss francs, but really nice. Loads of leg room for a change. Some of the dorm rooms, the bit of a squeeze when you're 6 foot, but yeah, this is really good. Got your power points up there, nice view, and first time I've seen this. Got these lockers here, and keycard access for the door, and yeah, first time I've seen those, really trick. But yeah, so today leaving Liechtenstein, and I'll be cutting through part of Austria, and it's only 10 kilometres to the border with Austria, and yeah, so cut through there, and then I'm going to heading into Germany. So I've got about a 3 or 4 hour ride today. I've booked a hotel there for 3 days. Lashed out a bit, it should be quite nice, but the weather's going to be crap for the next few days, so I'm just going to wait for the weather to pick up a bit, wait till some clear skies. But it's not supposed to rain today, although it's drizzling at the moment. Not supposed to rain today, but the next, well, 5 days are rain, so I'm going to stay put. Not much fun riding in the rain. It's all right. Got my rain suit on and everything, but yeah, you just got to be a bit careful on the slippery roads and everything. So I'm going to stay put in a village. It's a random village. I'll just check what it's called again. One moment. It's called Bad Worishofen, and that's my journey today. So I'm down here in Liechtenstein. This hill here is Austria, so I'm cutting through. That's Liechtenstein there, and then cutting through Austria, and then whichever route I end up taking, and heading there. So I'm not, Munich's over there, Stuttgart, Nuremberg, so getting into Germany there. So yeah, so back into the euros. So I've managed to clear out all my Swiss francs. Got a bar bill downstairs, just a coffee and a bit of Toblerone chocolate or something like that. So I should be able to use up all the rest of my change. And yeah, should be a good day. Good day.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you. All the best. Have a nice day then. Thank you. Oh, one is gone. Oh, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so staying at the Jugendherberg Vaduz, or the, oh Jesus, or the Vaduz Youth Hostel. So I've seen no cafes or anything on the way, so we'll see if there's anything in here. Getting a bit peckish. And welcome to Germany. Well, I didn't think there's anything for me there, but the girl before me at the deli got a bit of meatloaf, and the lady put it into a bun with some mustard and ketchup, so oh, that's what I got. And no coffee there, so got a that's lunch for today. So I made it to the hotel, room 21. Oh, right here, got the lift. And the lovely lady downstairs, I can park my bike in the shed over the road, so she's given me keys to the shed. And I've got my own balcony, which was a, what is this? It's on a hinge. Ooh, but stuff, okay. Oh, there we go.